My name Bill Subs are the premium. Bill Subs are the premium. What the Bill Subs are the premium dog. Yeah, yeah, for a bag. And if me have me buy her a bag. And Guyana. So that girl that feel like super fan. Yeah, but this one see a boy. This one see a man. Most of the people spell. Me buy her a bag. Yo, my new country, listen to this stuff. Jimmy, this is all my country. Me buy her a bag. Jaja died. I didn't want to say long stream. No, for a car in the long stream. Jesus Christ. Bitch. Bumbo cleat. This bitch. I do him on market. I'm saying name. This batty girl. And every girl and this man. I'm a bad shit. Oh my god, no. I'm dead. Shit, man. Me buy her a bag. My friend buying my kid. Let me tell you some of those ones. How much am I for? Jesus Christ. Oh shit. Bro, them bitches here now. This kid coming from this man gonna land for the Monday. Jesus Christ. The man gone over there. Why am I not push so? My Wi-Fi, Jesus Christ. A BN9. What the fuck? Yeah, up goes that. Dog. Jesus Christ. What? You see, that nobody can do that. Because they're hacking. That person hacking that. Nice. Kill that.
Triple kill.
Yo, woman quick. Where they? Yes. Yo. Amazon. Tell the man to stop. Awak go macam kia nak Look some have come over now. I can't send now word chat. What? Word chat then. Dog, that is. No. Yeah, that. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's brand new. Light. Yeah, yeah. It's dirty right there. Yeah, man. Yeah, because this bitch. Yo, man, yeah. Sean, oh, yeah. Oh, a band. Lonely, very lonely. Wait now, bro. I'm gonna save the money when I come here. I mean, I play with, my, you know. Why is it just drop a follow? Now YouTube, I can't start this one. But this share, share the stream, guys. Share the stream, guys. No, kill them, man. I'm saying about kill them, man. So I'm swearing about it. Dog. I don't know how to put my boots in. Chicken out. Bucko, no. Man. Bro, why not? But I'm alone there, but like I shit.
Battle Royale. Battle style.
Brando, I'm a dual man. I'm a gamer, beard.
Head there.
Boy on before. Them boy alarm before with all them batty boy, yo. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna switch shot here again. Yeah, I'm gonna switch up my control. Okay, so oh, update some more now. I just don't know nobody for play it, you know, cause everybody will move to play, quit the game. So this is gonna come like that, every quick. And then the time I come online, when I see the idiot boy, man, the time I come online, ever play. Tell him the thing. What you do? Yeah. What this boy I do? What you do? No, man. So the boy already up there and I kill him. I'm still there, man. I'm still there. I'm back all there. Yo, me I tell them drop a like and share that, you know, man. Nah, that's alone that, but I say, I don't understand, man. Spy boy, then. I'm gonna get enough fall damage, so what that? I'm gonna get. Why am I do that for? What that? What that? What kind of skill like? Jesus, one boy around. I see, I spot him. Boop, 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 boop. Head, man. Whatever you up with head, dog. Whatever you want head, bro. But this has spam. Put on silent. Jesus Christ. Jesus, how am I go? Dirty skill, bad man. I telling you, no, why not what I said that time? Jack phone stuff. Jesus Christ. It's a shame. You see how I said. It's a shame with it. It's nothing. It's a shame with it. Shame pound here. Oh, they just are like a.
You're at here.
It's a shame that. Come here. Jesus Christ, our. Put him on there. Put him on. Right, so man, like man, I went man here the man look like him up there, EM up. I don't know where that that yeah. That win the kind of feet man. Talk yeah, very man band don't talk shit. The man kill me. Yeah, push you done so. But never know the man there. But never know the man there. Never know the Arsenal go for. How are these? Some could have get could have get the kind them.
Battle Royale.
But
Battle style.
I never know the man there. Some could have drop her eyes. Could have more than kill her. I'm just too
Interactive here.
in these over other guns. Fireman there.
Thanks.
What them come tell me about? Knock out the senses out of mine. All 40 ball. I'm not the MP for 40 ball me and carry. Big 40 from back and see it. Can't pull it man. Pull it now, no? Now you have the ass in the arm. This bitch. About this bitch, Jaja.
I have it. Help me!
One boy now, one boy now.
Interact.
Where's more to speed to come? Alright, I'm gonna tell you this. This is one of the best skill them, yeah. I'm gonna tell you, this is one of the best skill them. So if you don't have it on your back, everybody knows that. Sometimes my bad make with them in the yeah. Some cracky. Yeah. Go back now. I'm supposed to. So they come as somebody thing. Girl,
Mission accepted.
bitch. Hindi. These bitches coming down, guys.
Hit the safe zone.
So dead. One bag of problem. One bag of problem. Not a bad man. One bag of problem. See, I'm at the old side. C2. My lighter was like my family. The bird thing.
Battle Royale. Battle in style.
Why not the stream? My devil. My. Jesus, my lad. Jesus. What are you there? What are you there? Bien.
Thanks.
Jesus. Yo,
Head there.
Just man down there. Man down there. Jesus. Yeah, I don't know what's in there. Come on, can't talk. Them carry out, them girl what, listen. Can't carry no.
Head there.
Yeah, this man dog. Mari gone pan the man. Mari David Ban could yet. And him gone down at the man is for the man. You want two of them in there? Come, Jesus Christ.
Head there.
Yeah, the one who left him. The one that's got. What that him that's sitting there, Joe. Yes, bitch.
kill.
Yo, the man not dead. I use the knife on the man not dead. What? Man, low man. Jesus, you know my dead. Yo, you see? Madam, you see why? Man literally not dying. See that man not dead. What? What kind of so him have so? How much time I chop under the knife? Boop, boop. Him man not dead. The man not dead. You know how much? You know how much? I mean, bro, fresh bad man, move that, yeah, bad. Him have the ball thing. Which ball thing? Oh, that man there. Have me ever know say man? I don't know about know that, but no, that the man have much time I slap him bad fresh bad man. Yeah, bad. Stop talking. Big deal, boy. Much time I slap the man bad man. I'm a knife I slap him. Come on. Oh, a Jer, shit. That's a Jer name fresh. You know they know what I mean. But I said that too. Yeah, that's what I said. So you're on a keys right now. You're on a keys right now. You're on which part then? Are your yard like around your mother? Which part there? Which part of Jamaica there? On the original. Say that I feel. Jer. Jordan. So you know let me a charger, your laptop charger. Remember it. You know come and feel.
Battle Royale. Battle in style.
Oh, you know the laptop there again. I know everything. Maybe you come out. Yeah. Alright. You know, yeah, this man, let me share the street. You know, let me a charger. Are your laptop I use now? Where me know it? What me what? If y'all lend me a charger, yeah, tell. Y'all gotta feel, yeah, tell me. Tomorrow, Saturday, and Saturday, we gotta feel for you know. So if you them out, to the right and fast. I got my God if Jesus ever did. Like dead in your name or something. Jesus. Jesus. This bitch. Bitch. If this go different. At the same after my saying all of me a charger. Type C charger though, the one with broad. A charger the more. Even if I bring it on the yard and then just you charge it. And then we got feel and then we have come back and see the thing. That's probably that one. Although I have a new laptop, I must say. Oh, laptop, I want to charge it because I have some. I have my YouTube account upon it. I know I use the chop it so, but it's signed on my laptop. So, I want to get it back. Charge it up. Mother charger? What you mean? The one. Jesus Christ, these bitches. Every woman got them bitches follow me. Jesus Christ, we love dead someone. Let's see what that is. Laptop charger or just a normal charger. I don't know how them normal charger can charge your laptop. Your laptop, honestly. How much time I charge that? That's a low power. Watch out, oh my dead! What? Normal, so your laptop does not sense.
Still on cooldown.
But now make it dumb. No. Bitch, dead no man. Why they make this so hard? No. Oh, the fuck, my dead. Mario, if all and pan the worst set of man, the man I did. I say, well, if all and pan man I did, I start landing, because I probably need it. I don't know how to get protection. My sister, you want keys? I will get top up. I have this long time. I will sponsor your top up. And I'm share this stream, sir. You know.
Battle Royale. Battle in style.
Much over me up there. This bitch. Run on my. And now I did for my kids again. And now I did for my watch again. Piggy. The man kill them. Start breed them. Throw them to the monkey. I'm buff to top. I'm gonna know if I feel sick. If I feel sick, you know. Not that my man play too. Feel sick, I'm sick and I'm feel sick.
Head there.
My head kinda stop hurting. And be there on fire just too long. And my head just stop hurting. It's a miracle. Tell me say, yo, they need to go and help their friend. Just get some booyah. Stop to yo, could I get booyah along? Yo, cause they on the street right now. Show me a play that. Mario run up and down and I do. Cause we could have more than the street. I mean the fan street, I the street. That's how this man gone weird. Same thing man they pan you. Jesus Christ. I don't want to go up to the
Go, go, go.
come off run my friend. Yeah. Why am I now? Must get some must depend on something. This bitch. Piggy is my door. I'm high. Piggy, I'm no lie. I'm everything end and far 2 months ago. See why my other
Double kill.
come I just say see why people don't feel about old talk or be of it. So I'm gonna stop putting for old time. Buying it for old stuff for the stop for your old time. Old time makes it. Put your old time makes for the doing another one thing. Yeah, one job. No so long time no see no so bro. Long time no see no so. Him dead man. Yeah, what teach him, man? Teach me. Alright, man. Oh, no,
Triple kill.
I want to teach my son. Jaja, my son get big. Good. My son decides it's time for him to go. Like, what? My Wi-Fi get beer bag of problem. If I ever see my face, it's what you call it. Go over the something, no, man. son. Yo, at the supply, I could have revived me now. But I have the supply job thing that I couldn't buy. But why am my evil? Oh, that evil come off. Watch it. Say me can't find that cheap shop. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you. Why if I give one bag of cup? No matter how I start the match. Drive fast.